When Mahindra launched the XUV700, it broke the internet with its features and aggressive pricing. In 2025, is it still the most advanced SUV in its class? Or has the competition finally caught up? Let's find out. The XUV700 was a complete game changer for Mahindra. With powerful engines, premium features, and impressive driving dynamics, it took the fight directly to Hyundai, Kia, and Toyota. But the SUV market keeps evolving fast. So, does the XUV 700 still deserve all the hype? Let's take a closer look. The XUV 700 still looks sharp and modern even today. The signature chrome grille, stylish LED DRLs, and sleek aerodynamic body lines give it a very premium road presence. Unlike the rugged Scorpio, the XUV 700 feels like the perfect blend of elegance and sportiness, ideal for modern families who want both comfort and style. Inside is where Mahindra truly shines. You get twin 10.25-inch screens, an Alexa voice assistant, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ADAS Level 2 features, panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, and connected car tech. The feature list is endless. Even in 2025, it still sets the benchmark for Indian SUVs when it comes to technology. Under the hood, you have two powerful choices: a 2.0-liter turbo petrol engine that produces 200 horsepower, and a 2.2-liter diesel producing up to 185 horsepower. Both are smooth, punchy, and refined. You can choose between manual and automatic transmissions, and higher trims even offer all-wheel drive. On highways, the XUV 700 feels like a rocket. It accelerates effortlessly, yet remains composed through corners. The suspension setup strikes a beautiful balance, absorbing rough patches while keeping the ride planted. The steering is precise, and body roll is minimal. It's equally comfortable for daily city drives and long cross-country trips. Overall, the XUV 700 delivers a driving experience that's sporty, premium, and effortless. Prices start around 14 lakh rupees and go up to 27 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Yes, it's on the premium side, but considering the technology, performance, and comfort on offer, it easily competes with entry-level luxury SUVs. For many Indian families, the XUV 700 hits the sweet spot of value and class. When it comes to safety, Mahindra stands tall. The XUV 700 has a 5-star global NCAP rating for adult protection and 4 stars for child protection. Its reinforced body structure, multiple airbags, and excellent crash absorption ensure strong protection for all occupants. The 2025 model continues to maintain these high standards, making it one of the safest SUVs on Indian roads. Positives: feature-loaded interior, powerful engines, top-class safety, solid ride quality, and premium comfort for long journeys. Negatives: long waiting periods in some cities, higher price for top trims, and ADAS systems that may take time for first-time users to get used to. Thanks for watching this review of the Mahindra XUV700 2025. Subscribe now, because next we're comparing it directly with the Innova Hycross. And trust me, that battle is going to be fascinating. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary based on your state, insurance, and GST updates.